Right folks, before we get started, I just wanted to make sure you know this is not an official Nirvana song. Look away if you're easily offended, but this is a fan-created song based off an actual riff that Kurt Cobain recorded acoustically that never made it into a song, unfortunately. I heard it recently and I could not get the main riff out of my head, so I was like, I gotta learn this. And I figured some of you may be interested too. So let's check it out. Tuning is drop D and then you hold guitar down half a step. So you should have. So just clean for. Then I would go for a fuzz pedal for the. I'm using the Jam Pedals Eureka because I saw Josh Homme using it on a board and I thought, oh, I'll dig that out again. I'd forgotten how awesome it is. So the first riff goes like this. Four times, then the band comes in. You play it a further 24 times, and that constitutes the verse, right? So you play 3-0-3-0, but you leave it ringing out, okay? Then a little 16th note, and that's it. You just repeat the whole thing round. So dark, isn't it? Then the chorus, I guess, would be this. Like that. So we'll stop there. You're going to play power chords. 4 on the 4th fret, 3 on the 2nd fret. Then you do this one finger power chord on the 4th fret, okay? Then you go to the 3rd fret. 4 of those up to the 5th fret, and a little incidental one at the end. That's it. You do 3 of those. The 4th time, it hangs on the 3rd fret. And then there's another bar on the 5th fret, and you're back into. I think that goes around 8 times. Then that continues, and then you have this solo over the top. Second time, slightly different. That's it. You repeat that round twice, then it branches off into another part. So that bit first. 10th fret, and then you have this rundown again. Just subtly different at the end of that run. Like that. That's all played over. Then when it goes to that whole riff, it goes. Etc. Right, let's stop there. First part. Subtle difference there, right? You could do it all on one string if you want, but I'm going to play it like that. So that's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. All right. Then it goes. Just a variation on a theme. So it's. then the last time, when it extends that stuff, it plays. Okay, it does a little run up, and then you're into the last part of the solo, so we'll stop there. You're going to do 2 beats of this, 2, then 4 of those, and then another 8. 2. Then you play. So these parts here are just like a grace note slide. You're going to play that, right? This next part's cool. You play, again, this over that part. We play. Got that stuff going on, okay? So that slowly. Then you do this little rundown. Then you're into the clean part. Play that 16 times the last time. And you leave the 4th string ring out. That's it. Nice easy one to start the week off with, I thought, but it's great fun. And look at this. You'll be seeing a lot more of this. So good. See you soon.